Welcome to Samepage. We want to show you how easy it is to start collaborating here, as if we're a team who's frustrated with email and looking for a better way to work together. Now, we've already considered combining Slack with other single-purpose apps to cover all of our collaboration needs, but we don't want to get hit with a bunch of notifications, links, and bills from separate apps. We want to communicate, manage projects, and share files all in one. So let's see what Samepage can do. From desktop computers and mobile devices, Samepage gives us two styles of communicating: Teams and Chats. Chats resemble the typical group messaging apps we've already explored. They help us communicate with individuals or groups via text, voice, and video. We can share screens, attachments, and links. And we can also integrate other apps so all of our notifications are in one place. But unlike other team communication tools, unlimited use of this fully featured chat functionality is completely free. This helps us avoid burning cash on separate communication apps and allows us to use the same platform when our teamwork needs to go beyond chatting. And this is where Samepage Teams come in. Teams offer the same chat functionality, but they also allow groups of people to share and collaborate on a wide variety of content in real time. Whether we're co-authoring meeting agendas, chatting about tasks and calendars, or sharing files, Teams and Samepage help us keep our content and conversations organized side by side. And seeing it all move forward in real time from any device means fewer apps, less email, more clarity, and better team collaboration. Sign up today and get Samepage Pro, free for 30 days. Then continue with our Samepage free plan for as long as you like.
So let me guess, you use all those management tools that look nice on your screen, but your team is constantly on fire? You see all your tasks, but you don't know which to do first and which will become the key to your success, right? That's why we created Hygger, an ultimate tool to prioritize and manage your tasks. Hygger helps to define what's most important in your workflow and make sure you are going in the right direction. We offer the ultimate time-tested prioritization tool, Eisenhower Matrix. Moreover, we reinvented it and provide a wide range of customization possibilities based on value, effort, risks, or anything else. We combine all this with convenient tools you are familiar with: Kanban boards, timelines, and task tables. And so it goes. Work in chaos or work in harmony with Hygger.
In any project, you're constantly juggling time and resources to deliver results successfully. But things don't always go as planned. Your customer requirements keep evolving, and when complications arise, it takes longer than expected to complete even a simple task. Is your team prepared to take in the varying demands of your project? Introducing Zoho Sprints, a clutter-free Agile Project Management Tool that lets you stay ready for changes and deliver great products on time. With a fluid interface, you can create backlogs for your projects, break them down into sprints, and work on them iteratively. You can even create epics to group work items with a common objective. And guess what? The customizable Scrum board lets you visualize your work through different stages so you know where your team stands. Forget your scheduling nightmares, as the Meetings module lets you set up sprint reviews and stand-up meetings in a jiffy. Moreover, you don't have to slog with manual time logs anymore, as the timesheet module will let you track billable and non-billable hours. While the dashboard gives a quick overview of all your project metrics. Reports like velocity charts, burn down reports, and cumulative flow diagrams let you drill down your project data. So get rid of complexity and make way for agility with Zoho Sprints.
Running a multi-unit restaurant can be a little overwhelming. Squeezing out razor-thin margins from handling mammoth tasks like manager logbook, store audits, guest complaints, and maintenance tasks is not an easy job. On top of this, you need to keep your employees motivated. Handling all of this for each of your locations makes your head go kaboom. That's That's the reason we created WorkPulse, enterprise-class apps for quick-service restaurants at an affordable cost. Our cloud-based, easy-to-use mobile apps empower you to collect and store operational information very easily with an intuitive enterprise dashboard, built-in compliance, push notifications, real-time status, store-by-store visibility, and reporting abilities. WorkPulse lets you access all your data from anywhere at any time. With actionable insights available, you can make informed decisions in real time. To make it even simpler, you have to log in just once to access all your apps and manage not just one, but multiple locations. Reduce overhead, save time, increase productivity, and see your profits skyrocket. WorkPulse, the pulse of your organization in the palm of your hand. Sign up for a free no-obligation trial today.
Whether you're a project manager that wants meaningful data or a dev that just wants to write great code, Axosoft for Agile Project Management has got your back with a complete suite of tools like burndown charts on sleek dashboards to track team progress and estimated ship dates. Sweet! Customizable card view workflows that visualize and manage releases, sprints, or entire backlogs. And the daily stand-up connecting your teams so that everyone knows exactly who's doing what and any issues that come up. The best part is that Axosoft works with whatever Agile, Kanban, Scrum, or Scrum Agile process you use. But Axosoft is more than just a process or a way of getting sprints done. We're a software development team just like you, and we know your pain. And at the end of the day, we all want the same things: to plan accurate releases and to spend less time logging work. So sign up for a free trial of Axosoft and ship better software on time and on budget.